Alright, come on, bro. Come on. Touch the corner.
Touch the corner, touch the corner. Yeah! Ah!
Oh, it's going.
Oh, no, wait. It's going. No.
Wait, it might touch you. Oh!
Wait, shouldn't we get into the gameplay?
Oh, yeah, anyways. What's up, guys? I'm here with...
shoot.
Gabe is not him. And we're going to be playing Ignited Markiplier in Rec Room. And,
Wait, is it gonna talk?
I have a special thing. If I get jump scared, I end my video, and if you get jump scared, you end your video.
Well, I'm just gonna be screaming the whole time, so it doesn't matter. But here, let me start my intro. Hey guys, it's Gabe, or Gabe is not him. This is my friend Spicy plays VR.
Yep.
And today we're gonna be playing Ignited Markiplier.
Alright.
You wanna get right into it?
Yep, let's go.
Let's get right into. Hello?
Jesus, the echo's crazy.
Hello?
Get away. Stop. Oh my god. Oh my god, he's dead. He's dead. He's dead. Rip Gabe, can we get Rip Gabe in the comments? Gabe? I don't know what I'm doing. I'm scared. I'm gonna freaking... Oh. Milk. How does this gun work? Oh, frick. Oh, frick. Okay. Beware. Oh, God. Oh, more milk. Where did Gabe go?
Let me drink some of this milk.
Gabe? Gabe?
History so hard, making history every day.
Guys, Markiplier.
Guys, it's okay. Markiplier got us, but we're going back in.
Yep, we're going back in, and so we don't
He
die.
can't stop us.
Let's go. Where did I spawn? Gabe!
Hello?
Gabe! Oh.
Oh,
Milk! I don't know
Marky?
I don't know where we have to find the milk gun. But
Markiplier.
It's so hard.
no. Mark. Okay.
Hello guys, we're going back in for Markiplier.
Yep, we're going Markiplier hunting. Let's go.
You ready, Spicy? Spicy?
Yeah?
Where are you?
Oh, hey.
Hey.
Yo, did you hear me on the intercoms the other day? Or that one time?
Yeah.
I'm gonna try to find that again. No!